Ever wondered why your NVIDIA GPU isn't giving you the FPS it should? Or why games stutter even on high-end cards? Today, we're diving into the hidden tweaks that fix lag spikes, stuttering, and low performance that NVIDIA users face every day. By the end of this video, your gameplay will feel smoother, faster, and way more responsive. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. Let's dive in. Alright guys, first, we're diving into the NVIDIA Control Panel to unlock hidden performance tweaks that most gamers don't even touch. These settings will help your GPU run smoother, faster, and more efficiently in every game you play. Open the NVIDIA Control Panel and go to Manage 3D Settings. Here you'll find Global Settings, which apply tweaks to all games, and Program Settings, where you can adjust options for specific titles. Using Program Settings is highly recommended because it lets you optimize each game individually, which is useful since some games respond better to certain tweaks than others. First, check image scaling. Keep it off globally unless you want to use it for a specific game. While sharpening can improve visuals slightly, it adds extra GPU workload, so turning it off will maximize raw performance. Move on to low latency mode. Turn it on to reduce the GPU render queue, which improves frame pacing and slightly lowers input lag. Avoid ultra unless you want to test it, as it can sometimes introduce instability in certain games. Now go to power management mode. Set it to prefer maximum performance. This ensures your GPU runs at full clock speed during gaming sessions, rather than lowering its performance to save power. This simple tweak can eliminate FPS dips, sudden stutters, and keep gameplay smooth even in demanding games. Enable shader cache and set it to on or unlimited. Shader compilation can cause noticeable stutters in games with dynamic environments, open worlds, or frequent loading of effects. With shader cache enabled, your GPU stores compiled shaders, which results in smoother gameplay and faster load times. For texture filtering, quality, select high performance. This reduces driver overhead and allows the GPU to focus on rendering frames instead of processing additional texture filters. You'll get smoother performance with almost no visible difference in graphics quality. Set threaded optimization to auto. This lets the driver use multiple threads efficiently, which can improve performance in modern games. Leave it alone unless a specific game has issues, then you can experiment. For vertical sync, set it off globally. If your monitor supports G-Sync or FreeSync, leave V-Sync off and control it in-game. Turning it off reduces input lag and allows your GPU to output frames at the fastest rate possible. Finally, leverage program-specific profiles. Adding each game individually under program settings allows you to fine-tune settings per title. Some games handle maximum performance tweaks well, while others benefit from slightly reduced settings. This approach ensures your GPU performs optimally no matter the game. Also make sure PhysX is assigned to your NVIDIA GPU. This offloads physics calculations from the CPU to the GPU, which reduces CPU bottlenecks in games that use PhysX heavily. By following these steps, your NVIDIA GPU will run at peak efficiency, allowing for higher FPS, smoother gameplay, and a more consistent gaming experience across all titles.
Alright guys, now it's time to download the ultimate NVIDIA optimization pack. You can get it from my Discord server, the link is in the description. Once the pack is downloaded, extract it and start with the GPU Registry Tweaks folder. Open the file named Gaming Performance Registry, double-click it, confirm the prompt with yes, and then click OK. This tweak adjusts how your GPU communicates with Windows, reducing background inefficiencies and making your system run smoother overall. In the same folder, you'll find two additional optimization files, low-medium optimization and medium-high optimization. These are tailored for different GPU tiers. If you have a budget or mid-range card, go with low-medium optimization. For high-end GPUs, choose medium-high optimization. If you're unsure which to use, leave a comment and I can guide you. For this tutorial, we'll use low-medium optimization, which works best for most average gaming rigs. Just double-click it, select yes, and press OK to apply. Next, move to the GPU Thread Tweaks folder. Here, you'll find a registry file designed to improve multi-thread handling for your graphics card. Double-click it, confirm with yes twice, and then click OK. This tweak enhances how your GPU manages multi-threaded workloads, boosting utilization, smoothing gameplay, and reducing stutters in demanding situations. Finally, open the MSI mode utility included in the pack. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This is crucial because the tool modifies low-level hardware behavior. In the list, locate your GPU under Display Adapters and apply two important settings. Enable MSI mode. This switches from the older interrupt signaling method to a modern, faster communication system between the CPU and GPU.
It reduces micro-latency and improves real-time responsiveness. Set interrupt priority to high. This ensures your GPU tasks take priority over less critical processes, maintaining stable performance even under heavy load. Click Apply to save these changes. After completing these steps, your GPU will already be running much more efficiently. You'll notice fewer FPS drops, smoother gameplay, and improved responsiveness, all before we even touch NVIDIA Control Panel tweaks. Now guys, we will do an advanced Windows Registry tweak to further optimize your NVIDIA GPU. This setting controls hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling, allowing Windows to let your graphics card manage workloads more efficiently, which reduces microstutters and improves frame consistency in games. First, open the Windows search bar, type Registry Editor, and run it as administrator. Once it opens, copy the exact registry path from video description and paste it here, then hit Enter. Here, look for a value named HWSCH mode. If it's not already there, don't worry, you can create it. Right-click on an empty space in the right pane, select New, then DWORD, 32-bit value, and name it HWSCHMODE. Double-click this value and set it to 2. This enables hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Click OK to save, close the registry editor, and then restart your PC so Windows fully applies the change. After rebooting, your GPU will handle tasks more efficiently, giving you smoother gameplay, better frame stability, and improved performance, especially in high refresh rate or demanding games. This tweak works perfectly alongside the other registry and MSI mode optimizations we applied earlier. Alright guys, that's it for today. Your NVIDIA GPU should be running smoother and faster than ever. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, drop a like, and join the Discord for more exclusive tweaks.